The journey to restore a Boeing 747 begins with locating its sunken remains. Using advanced sonar technology, the ROV reveals the extent of damage to the Boeing 747 structure. The 747 is broken down to its core elements. The 747's heart beats strong on the ground.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27.
Wheels up for the restored 747. On target for the 747's homecoming. Soft landing crowns the 747's flight.
Behold the reborn 747.
From depths to skies, the Boeing 747 endures.
The journey to restore a Boeing 747 begins with locating its sunken remains. Using advanced sonar technology,
There it is, the 747 silhouette.
Sonar would be shipment with a trove of salvageable parts.
an ROV dives into the abyss to uncover the 747's secrets. The ROV reveals the extent of damage to the Boeing 747 structure.
Confirmation secured, the 747's rebirth starts now.
Divers brave the depths to secure the 747 wreckage. Precision attachment ensures safe recovery of the 747 parts.
The 747 rises from its watery grave.
Each piece salvaged brings the 747 closer to restoration. With wreckage aboard, the voyage to restoration begins. The 747 wreckage arrives on land, ready for overland journey. Precise unloading preserves the 747's valuable components. The 747 pieces journey inland to their restoration site. The hangar awaits, where the 747 will be reborn. All pieces accounted for, restoration commences. Disassembly reveals the 747's inner framework. Wings are freed for individual repair. Powerful engines are set aside for overhaul. The 747's interior is cleared for renewal. The 747 is broken down to its core elements. Corrosion erased, the 747's skin is renewed. Wings strengthened for flight once more. Engines roar back to life through meticulous repair. The 747's brain is rewired for the future. Comfort restored inside the iconic 747. The 747 takes shape as wings meet body. Power returns to the 747's wings.
The 747's form is complete.
All systems synced for the restored 747. From wreckage to wings, the Boeing 747 flies again. A fresh coat protects the 747's renewed skin. The 747 emerges in vibrant hues. Iconic markings adorn the restored 747. The 747 gleams, ready for the skies. Inside, the 747 becomes a haven once more.
Systems come alive in ground trials.
Electricity courses through the 747's veins. Fuel readied for the 747's mighty engines. The 747's heart beats strong on the ground. Virtual flights ensure the 747's readiness. The
The 747 proves its strength under pressure.
Authorities validate the 747's restoration. The 747 moves under its own power, pushing limits on the ground for the 747. The moment arrives for the 747's return to air. Checklist complete, systems green.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27.
Wheels up for the restored 747.
The 747 soars, testing its wings, proving resilience in the skies for the 747. Safe return marks a milestone for the 747.
The Boeing 747, restored from wreckage, takes its place in history.
A final polish ensures the 747's enduring beauty. Pristine interiors welcome future passengers to the 747. Every surface sterilized for the 747's safe operation. Galleys equipped to serve on the restored 747, and modern amenities complete the 747's comfort. Cargo spaces fortified for the 747's versatility. Safety first in the restored 747. Life-saving systems proven on the 747.
Locate your nearest exit. Assume the brace position.
Crew readied for the 747's journeys. Pilots master the restored 747's helm. Tanks brim for the 747's adventures. Every detail verified on the 747. The 747 passes to new stewards.
On behalf of the team, we are proud to deliver this aircraft.
The 747 heads to its element.
Ignition of dreams in the 747 cockpit.
Engines awaken the mighty 747.
Ground 747 heavy, turning onto runway 32.
The 7 glides toward destiny.
Restored 747. You are cleared for takeoff.
Permission granted for the 747's ascent.
Power surges through the 747.
Thrust set, accelerating. V1, rotate.
The 747 defies gravity once more. Rising to new heights, the 747 soars. Smooth sailing in the skies for the 747. Service excellence on the restored 747. Graceful return begins for the 747. Wings transform for the 747's landing. Gear ready for the 747's touch. On target for the 747's homecoming. Soft landing crowns the 747's flight. Braking power halts the majestic 747. Safe arrival for the restored 747.
747 heavy, turn right, follow me.
Rest comes to the 747's powerhouses.
The flight recorders show a 2% drop in efficiency during the final approach. Agreed, we should reinforce 747's legacy.
Sustaining the 747's excellence over time. The 747's story preserved for posterity.
Sharing the 747's triumph with the world. Perfect. Draft the invite around that.
And project the timeline. The press gears up for the 747's debut. Stage set for the 747's grand unveiling.
Behold the reborn 747.
This 747 story is one of revival. You stories shared of the 747's. Follow me to see the composite sections.
From depths to skies, the Boeing 747 endures.